AI will kill most agencies if they don't adopt, right? That's, I think, what you hear pretty often. And I agree. But on the other side, it's the biggest opportunity right now to rethink what you sell. And if you are good in marketing or software development, then selling AI agents is by far the easiest business model. And there is a very high demand if you run an agency and you are looking for an easier way to grow. But you should not just sell AI services like you sell marketing services or software development services, because in the end you sell your time for money again. And that's a shitty business model because it just sucks your time and your energy and it won't scale. It will just scale your workload and your stress. And in the end, you will have a business that is just like a stressful job, not giving you the freedom and the wealth you want when you started your business, but just a lot of work and a lot of stress. And the more you grow, the bigger the problem gets because you are the bottleneck for everything if you sell time for money. So in this video, I want to talk about how you can sell AI agents like products, get recurring revenue, provide high value for your clients, and really scale your business without scaling your workload and your stress. If I would reinvent my business, I would definitely do this today because, well, there's such a high demand. If you go to the Google Keyword Planner and just search for AI agents and you go on a trend analysis and you see that there is a big spike for this search of AI agents, you will understand that there is a crazy high demand right now. And I want you to understand how you can take advantage of this and become a winner of the AI revolution. So let's get started. How do you sell AI like products? Well, you first think about which processes you want to automate, because in the end, it's all about process automation, okay? So you need to be clear about the process. You cannot sell general process automation. I mean, I shouldn't say you cannot, you can do this, but then it won't work very well and it still won't scale because every project is, again, custom. You will still sell projects, and selling projects is like a crappy business model because you just sell complex things and they are hard to scale. It can be fun sometimes, but it's not a good business model. But if you know the process that you want to automate, for example, you automate the email inbox of sales reps, right? You automate the sales process that happens in the email inbox of a sales rep. Or you automate the lead nurturing and lead qualification, not with stupid, blind, automatic emails, right? But with conversational chatbots that qualify leads and nurture them so that they are ready to buy before they book a call. Or you can automate invoice creation, right? Invoice creation processes. Or you can automate client onboarding processes of attorneys, of lawyers, of all kinds of people that deal every day with a lot of paperwork, right? I just have one paper on my desk, that's why I was looking around. But there are so many businesses who like die in paperwork every day, and you can help them get out of this mess by automating their paperwork, right? So you want to specific about what's the process. Checking out on Google which processes exist, or asking ChatGPT is even better, will help you understand which processes you can automate. And here's now the business model. So let's say you target sales reps, okay, and you automate their inbox, their email inbox, and the sales conversations in the email inbox. You also help them answer fast to new requests, and you give them around, I would say, 10 to 15 hours of their time back in their calendar so they can spend more time on qualified leads and close them, which means more money for them because most sales reps get paid based on commissions. And now you see you provide huge value. You help them save time, and this contributes to helping them make more money because having more time for more qualified leads means more money for them, right? And the same for all other processes you can automate. You need to be very clear about who is the person that uses this process right now and struggles with manual execution that just sucks a lot of time and energy and is absolutely not fun. And what could they do with this time if you free it up through automation? These are the opportunity costs, right? So you provide value by saving them time and helping them take advantage of new opportunities, which means making more revenue, working on the business to increase profitability, whatever it is, right? It depends really on the person that you target. So be very clear about the person, about the process, and what's currently the big problem if this process is just like manually executed. And then you run ads with this pain point, talking to these types of people. That's how you get leads. By the way, if you want to see how you can build an automated lead generation funnel for such an offer, below this video, you will be able to book a call with an expert from my team, and they create an exact plan and show you our AI system and our AI agent to build funnels and basically almost a virtual automated sales team to sell your service on autopilot. Okay, if you click below, you can book such a call and we show you how it works. So if you want to get leads, of course, you always need to talk to the right people about their problem, the solution that you can help them get, right? And of course, which process is related to this problem. So then you just have a quick video showing how they can get the result. Don't show in detail how it works, just talk about the results they get and ask them to jump on a call. That's your funnel. Now about what you sell on the call. What you sell on the call is the automation. If we stay with the inbox automation, the automation of one email inbox, okay, of one sales rep and then you need to define, okay, which scenarios should this AI agent handle? For example, you could say, okay, I just build an AI bot that handles new requests, new inquiries, okay? And they will be answered automatically. There is an AI with a knowledge base attached, right? You can easily build this, for example, with tools like N8N, eventually Make, but I would use NAN. That's a huge trend, and it's really awesome to build AI agents, by the way. So you just analyze on the call which processes they need to get automated. You also calculate how much time they are currently spending on executing these processes manually, and you ask them for their hourly rate. And now here comes the big trick in selling. You sell value-based. That means you take the amount of hours they spend on executing this process manually every month, and you multiply it with their hourly rate. That's how much money this process costs them. Now, if you can automate this process in 12 months, they save a lot of money. If you just charge 10 to 15%, that's an absolute fair deal, and it can be huge, right? That's the money you get for the implementation. I would charge a one-time setup fee of building this AI agent, and then a monthly retainer for every agent that you've built, because there might be failures, there might be questions from the person, right? Then you answer these questions and you fix the failures if they happen. You could easily charge 150 to 200 euro per month for maintaining one AI agent, right? And when the client sees that this is very successful, chances are very high that this person wants more AI agents to automate more work, and then you build another one, you have a fixed price, and then you sell the retainer to maintain this AI agent, right? And that's it. That's how you have high enough revenue with a one-time fee to build the AI agent. This revenue will allow you to spend money on ads and acquire more clients, and then you bring them in a monthly retainer to update the AI agent and support the AI agent and fix eventual problems. And that's how you grow recurring revenue, really stack the revenue month after month. And you don't need to do custom coding because you use standardized tools. For example, you use Airtable as your database. You use N8N as your process automation platform. You can use Typeform for building an interface and forms where people need to enter data manually. And basically that's it. That's your stack of tools. It's all no code. You don't need to code. You can just configure everything, and it has low maintenance costs. That means your retainer that you charge is very profitable because you can expect to not have a lot of work with that. And as there is a very high demand in the market, so if I would start again, I would definitely do this. That's why we already set up AI agents for marketing that help with lead generation and nurturing of leads, right? So that you can jump on calls with qualified people. That's our use case, right? Our process is the end-to-end sales process from cold impressions of your ad down to calls. And this funnel is generated by AI, and then we have AI agents that do the nurturing, for example, via WhatsApp or any other channel. But don't worry, if you book a call below this video, you will jump on a call with a real human, with a real expert from our team, okay? So that's the business model of the future, I would say. I would definitely consider this, and you will have a much easier life, and you will grow your agency much faster because you have something that people really want and where there's a high demand and not so many players in the market yet. You can have high profits because, well, you can automate the whole thing and you stack recurring revenue without having to work a lot. And you will also have satisfied clients because this stuff really works. It's easy to implement and it's easy to get your clients results. So yeah, if you are interested in learning more about how to build sales funnels, go on the Flash Hub channel on YouTube. You will find a lot if you want to sell your AI services with automation, with funnels, and get high quality leads on a call that want your services. Then you will find videos there. If you want to get a free growth plan showing you how you can grow your agency a lot easier, more profitably, and with less work, then below this video you'll find a link. And if you got value from this video and some inspiration helping you build the agency of the future for yourself, I would appreciate if you give me a like and subscribe. I'm going to create 2 times per week new videos showing you how to grow your agency and your service-based business much faster, more profitably, and with a lot less work thanks to systems, automation, and AI. That's it for today. I'm looking forward to the next video. Cheers and happy scaling.